Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me again. It's Deverell Davis. I'm here with another consumer review on a product that I purchased. What we're going to review today, I know, is something that's probably not in like how it used to be, probably like about 5, maybe even 8 years ago. Um, but it's something I never had and I always wanted, and I never got a chance to, or just never. It just always skipped my mind to purchase it, but I always wanted it, and I always end up buying other things. What it is a G-Shock watch, right? Um, by Casio. Um, it's probably outdated as far as because now we got the smartwatches and everything like that. We got the Samsung Galaxy. I got the Apple watches and all that other stuff. Fitbits and all that stuff took over, but still, I'm a person that I love a watch. I don't like to look at my phone for the time. If I'm gonna get the time, I'm gonna look at a watch. I used to collect a lot of other watches and more like analog timepieces that just move with the hands and stuff. Now everything is pretty much digital. The one I ordered is it's digital and analog. It's a Casio GA 100X large series G-Shock. It's a red one. It's all red. So I'm kind of like dying to see how this looks in person. I've seen it online, ordered on Amazon. It retails for $110 on Amazon. I got it for $79. Let's see what it is, man. Let's unbox this, man. I mean, it's the quarantine. I mean, the quarantine's over, but like the quarantine season, a lot of people was buying a lot of probably unnecessary things. Amazon was doing crazy numbers because people were just home shopping. So, you make crazy purchases. Purchases probably a little bit like on the like, why do you do that side? But like, I think this one right here, I'm definitely gonna rock this. I'm definitely gonna wear it. So let's take a look at it. I know it's outdated, but I'm trying to bring it back whichever way I can. If I can help you make a consumer purchase and buy one of these things, then by all means, let's do it. So, I got two products here. This one's for my girl, so we'll put this to the side. And here's the G-Shock. This is the box that comes in. I'll bring it closer. It actually says G-Shock. And people that collect G-Shocks and already have G-Shocks already know what it is, already know how it comes in the box when you purchase it from Macy's or whatever else. Okay, so let's open the box, and my dog wants to make an appearance. He wants to help. Bring him up here. You want to help me with this? Let's take this away from you. Don't do anything up here. His name is Bro. Chihuahua Beagle mix. So go ahead and chill out. So it comes in this little it's a little metal case. Looks real nice. Boom, slide it off. Let's put that to the side. It's a little soft on the inside. Okay. Anything else in the box? Nope. Alright. So what we got here, we got a warranty card. Boom. Some instructions, which we're not going to read. Nobody ever reads the instructions. And we got the watch itself inside a little cushioned case. So I'm gonna take it out. Has a little size to it. They have it wrapped in a plastic bag. And like I said, it's only $79. It was originally $110. I'm gonna take it out the wrapper. I like the red color. The red color looks a little like it's gonna pop a little bit. It's gonna stand out. It's gonna hit a little different. Chill out, sit down. I know, I'm excited too. Let's see what's this G-Shock about. Alright. So I mean, not bad. You could even get this if you want. This is the red one right here. You get this in Walmart if you want to. I forgot how much it runs for in Walmart. It's probably around the same price. They actually had this on sale on Amazon. I missed the sale. They had it for like $9 less, so it was like $70. So you're saving yourself about $40 on actual cost of this. Everybody I know back in the days had one of these. They used to rock it. They used to try to rock it outside their jacket or their shirt or whatever, so it could like show. People, I know people used to get robbed for these back in high school and stuff like this back in my days. So, which was a while back. So, I'm gonna put it on. So you can see how it is. It comes with a little tag with the price on it. Price tag right here, of course. We're gonna get this off too. In 1 second, bear with me. Not as strong as I think. Anyway, let's get the this one right here. It's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 2. I got it for Christmas last year. Alright, it's a quality timepiece. Boom. So we're gonna put this on. We're gonna see how this look. Don't worry, I'll get the tag off after. So not bad. I like watches that pop like this, that actually stand out, that boom, it hits. It's like this. Listen, G-Shocks or whatever might be outdated, but you know, it's what makes you feel happy deep down inside. Whenever you make any type of purchase, you gotta love your purchase if you made a purchase. So I actually like this a lot. Am I to the point where I love it? I don't know, it might grow on me some more. As you see, it has 2 holes. Boom. Has a nice little brace right there. This is something I could rock in the gym. Hey, something I could rock in the gym. You know, it's not too don't seem like it'll be in the way, and it's definitely a nice little piece. It looks sexy in my opinion, and this is something that I like myself. All right, so like I said, these are what it come with: instructions, warranty card, in a little, you know, metal can. And it's not bad. I mean, for $79, could have done much worse with something else. But to me, this is something that I rock definitely, and that I definitely like. All right. Once again, Deverell Davis here, helping you make a consumer review. That's bro right there. Say bye, bro. All right, man. He's chilling. All right. So anyway, hit me up anytime you want. Leave a message, comment, or whatever. Subscribe. Definitely pass the word on. Let people know that this is going on, that we're doing consumer reviews, we're doing unboxings and stuff like that. And subscribe to my channel and like. All right? Peace.